Hello and welcome. So these are the settings that I use for my RTX 2060, just helps get some extra FPS. And if you don't have this interface, at the end of the video I'll show you how to do it. So if you want to unlock the core voltage, you have to go to settings, and it's just here, unlock voltage control. And then, press apply, then enter OK. And then you can change it, and that should really be it. Then you can press apply using the arrow. You can save the profile by clicking this icon and then pressing on a number. If you press the startup button, whenever the outside is red, it will always start your GPU when you turn on your computer with the settings that you've got applied right now. So if you don't have this interface, to change it you go onto the settings, user interface, and then you change it here. And whenever you click on them, it'll show you which one you'll get. Mine is this one, MSI Afterburner white. Apply and OK, and then you should get this. Here are just the FPS I get in the games I've tried, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.